Hi there, welcome to Fun Cooking with Brandy. Today we are going to look at how to prepare spaghetti. Enjoy! For starters, I have put my spaghetti in a saucepan. As you can see, I've put a pinch of salt, water, and then we cover to boil it. When it starts boiling, I'll put it off. It is red, as you can see. So what we need to do is to reduce the water. All of it, we are going to put the water out such that it remains dry. Yes. And after our ingredients, we shall add them into the spaghetti. I'm going to fry my ingredients. Start with the cooking oil. And now put in our tomatoes. Green pepper, carrots, garlic, add garlic to your taste, or curry powder, pinch of salt. Remember, we put salt into the spaghetti. And then our ingredients, we still add some pinch of salt. Fry until the tomatoes are soft. I can now bring in tomato paste. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Now we can add our ingredients into the spaghetti. Guys, this is our spaghetti. Look at it. Looks yummy, delicious, fantastic. Wow. Let me taste on your behalf to see what we have prepared today. Perfect taste. If you don't want to miss out on this, please do not forget to always follow, comment, like, and share on my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.